It is Saturday, April 21st, 2018. It is 2:10 in the morning, getting ready to pull out of the driveway, and it's 45 degrees here in Western North Carolina.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Okay guys, it's 10 a.m. We are now in Florida, and Tom just handed me some birthday presents. First of all, he got me all excited with the Barnes & Noble bag, and there's no books in here. But that's okay.
You pointed out multiple $100 items at Disney World that you want me to buy you this week, so
no books.
No books, babe.
This trip is not only about my birthday, but it's about Animal Kingdom's 20th anniversary. I wanted to be there for that. And look, he went ahead of me and got the Alex and Ani bracelet. And check out this card. It's a little Seven Dwarfs reference, and it's actually pretty relevant to me right now. So Squinty, that's been happening lately. Itchy, for some reason my back's been getting really itchy. Now the gassy part is not me, that's him.
Thanks, sweetie.
Saggy, yeah, that happened after breastfeeding 3 kids. Is that inappropriate for the vlog?
It's inappropriate for the husband.
Cranky in the morning, that's for sure. Gimpy, yeah, what y'all might know is I slipped a disc when I was 16, so I have reoccurring issues with that, so I can be gimpy sometimes. Snoozy, wait a minute, does snoozy mean snoring? Because that's you, not me.
Snoozy does not.
That's true, it just means sleepy.
Yeah.
Once I'm asleep, that I'm asleep. Like, don't wake me up. And hope your that was 50th birthday isn't short on happy. That's some sort of crack. That's cute. That's a really relevant card. You did good. I like that one.
That was too fun. I had to do that.
It is about 1 p.m. and I can imagine that it is going to be packed in here because it's a Saturday. Quite a bit of the Shanghai Disney Resort merchandise here. Like, this is $9.99. Okay, this is really whimsical. I like this. It's from Shanghai. It's $7.99. It is so thick. I love the rabbit. He looks startled. Oh.
Vlogging sunglasses.
These are your new vlogging sunglasses?
Yeah, for when we do reviews and stuff like that. Everyone will know me by my signature sunglasses.
That's true. They would know you.
Yeah.
All right, so the first stop is complete. I didn't film a lot in there because it was just so busy. It was so hard to even walk around. And Mr. Mouse Diva even has a shopping bag there. So the best part is, guys, this is so exciting. Very exciting. But Mr. Mouse Diva has been converted. He bought trading pins.
Because they were cheap. They weren't $15 a piece.
He's gonna trade pins. Well, we never trade the $15 ones.
Well, I would never consider a pin at $15.
But yeah, he bought some pins to trade. He is gonna be on the lookout for who?
Dale, Clarice, and Chip.
Yep, that's who he's gonna be on the lookout for. Got to thinking, since you're gonna pin trade, do you know the pin trading rules?
Dude, give me your pins. That it?
You failed. Okay, so the pin trading rules. You can trade 2 pins from each cast member. You don't have to trade 2, but you can only trade up to 2. don't reach over to them and like take it or grab their lanyard. You just point to the pin. It's like respecting the body space thing. So,
that takes all the challenge out of it.
On the right.
I thought this was supposed to be some sort of competition thing.
And they have to trade with you. They can't say no to you. But, you know, you have to have an official Disney trading pin, too. You can't have some odd pin. It has to be an official Disney pin.
No plastic Cracker Jack toys or nothing?
No, they're not Javas. Javas? Wakas? Javas? What are they? Yeah, the little Jawas. Wawas. Jawas? I forgot what the little cute creatures are called. Jawas. Is that what?
Ewoks?
They're not. Ewoks don't trade. Jawas trade.
Oh, okay.
67. On the right.
You mean I knew something?
Well, I didn't know what you were. I thought that
Star
was
Wars.
I thought that was like way too esoteric for you to actually know what you were talking about, so I just discounted that possibility.
Oh, I know some Star Wars stuff. So I get brownie points on that one, don't I?
2 right lanes.
I'm somewhere between impressed and shockingly amazed.
Okay, so, that might be it. Do you have any questions? I guess that's the 3 main rules. I guess he has no questions.
If it's a really cute cast member, can I like take extra time? I'm not sure. Can I see that one now?
You can, but don't be rude if there's people waiting. Because a lot of times there's people, and that's another rule. If somebody is already up at a cast member or a pin board and they're already there looking, you have to wait your turn. And there's some pros to that. There's some bad things. They might take the pin you want, but they could leave a pin that you want. So you got a 50-50 chance. Oh my goodness, look where we are. Oh my goodness, it snuck up on me. Oh, I'm trying to get it with my phone. If you're on Instagram, you would have been seeing this. Look where we are, guys. Just made it, 2:03 p.m. Actually, we stopped at the Character Warehouse first. Here we go, here we go. So guys, we have stayed at Port Orleans Riverside only once, and that was in the Royal Room. I actually already have a tour of the resort on there. I'll try to link it right now. So we got an alert earlier today saying our room was ready. So we're gonna try this out and hopefully his band will work and we won't actually have to go like to the security gate. So let's see if it works.
Oh, there.
Okay, so we've learned something. Even though our room is ready, the bands won't work until you get into your room, which is different because Langley and I, when we stayed at Coronado Springs and we got an alert 2 years ago, we scanned a back gate and we got right in. So something's changed with that. So
guess what else we learned?
what?
That if when you get married, your wife doesn't decide to take your name and you're the one that goes up and the attendant at the security booth asks for your license and you give it to her and your wife even tells you, get your license ready, get your license ready. And she looks and she looks and she looks and it's like, hon, I'll bet you she's looking for your name, not mine, isn't she?
Yep,
Which
she
building
was.
now? Which building?
So I see something wrong with this picture. I'm taking these two. He's taking that. Who else agrees that something's wrong with this picture? And this is our view. Nice. I'm gonna let him bring these in because my arms are killing me. Wait for it, people, wait for it.
Wow.
What do you notice different?
It's a corner room. It's not on the ground floor.
Okay, we had a corner room the first time we stayed. It was not on the ground floor.
Waterfront, pool view, and we have a
king bed. We have never stayed at a moderate or value with a king bed. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, it is. So this is real nice. If you guys have like a porter crib and it's just, you know, 2 adults and a little one, this is the perfect room to get because you have all this room to put a porter crib.
This is a nice room.
This is a nice size room.
Yeah, I like it.
So like I said, we've never seen the regular rooms. We've only seen the royal rooms.
God, what did you put in here?
And I lugged that. I mean, it took us a while to get to our room, people. And I had to lug those big things. He didn't offer to help. It's my birthday. And I had to lug my own luggage.
You grabbed him and took off while I was getting your trash out of your car.
I like this. Celebrating Mardi Gras on the Mark Twain by Richard Vaughan. It's 1984 from the Walt Disney Imagineering collection. Tile floor, nice double sink, and just a regular old shower curtain. I like this is nice, clean, smooth. I like the little bench area.
This is a nice bench to sit on for
nice size bench.
Your fresh socks on. Now there's no couch and there's no lounge chair per se in
You
here.
don't get that here. You're thinking of like Wyndham properties, Wyndham Resorts.
Oh,
You're getting
no, I mean-
spoiled.
I mean, there's a couple of nice chairs at the table there.
Well, that is all you need. You don't come to Disney World to stay in your room. That's all you need. I have a table and a chair and an outlet right there so I can actually edit and upload vlogs.
That's all you need, unless you get up typically 3 to 4 hours before your wife and would like a nice comfortable spot to sip coffee and read books in the
Guess
morning.
what? Right outside where you won't even bother your wife. I am sure there is benches along that river somewhere.
I want to be there when she wakes up so I can tend to her every whim and need.
Yeah, that's a horse laugh from me. So, refrigerator. Nice deep drawers. I can never open these things. There we go. Oh, it's already nice and cold. So, everybody always asks about outlets and connections. So, there you go. Where is our... Okay. And there's something interesting in here, and I'm going to do another vlog on that, guys, if you've ever wondered about the bounce back offer. All right. Oh, and I was going to say, love these.
Oh,
Some
yeah,
of
those are like,
great for hats and coats. And I like these because, well, when Tom's not around, I'll put shoes up here. When it's me and Tom, he normally puts hats and we end up putting jackets here. But we normally came when it's kind of cold too. So we may switch things up, baby. Actually, all the shoes I brought won't fit up there.
and she wonders why her luggage weighs.
Different.
Honestly, 6 times what mine does. 6.
Every outfit needs its own shoe. It has to match. And they have to be comfortable.
I will have shoes for every one of my outfits too.
Okay, see ya. All right, I just moved the pillows. Oh my gosh, look at Tiana up there. That is so beautiful.
Okay, everyone, we've got a mousekeeping fail. And it's hard to get picky because this is really a nice room and everything's really pretty clean, but mousekeeping fail here. There's dust on the back corners on this shelf up here. The wifey wouldn't notice that because she doesn't have the same angle on that I do.
I want you to check out our outfits because we're doing something special this evening we're dressed a little more appropriately, especially Mr. Mouse Diva. Check him out.
What is wrong with the way I normally dress?
Check out that
I am normally
shirt.
like the height of modern fashion.
And then
Assuming modern fashion involves a lot of t-shirts,
yeah,
old shorts.
Mickey shirts, whatever. But you can probably guess from his shirt where we're going this evening. But anyway, for now, as we stand here in the dark, there we go, we're headed to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place.